let's say ST-Link is not around. So there's a couple of ways actually. One of the method is using the UART. You can using UART to program the STM32 chip. We have here is STM32 Blue Pill with CP2102N USB-to-UART driver here. So what it does is we using the CP2102N driver to program the STM32 Blue Pill, which is so-called STM32 C8T6 F103C8T6. Yeah, that's the chip. Go ahead and download, which here is stated the STM32 Cube Pro software here. So go ahead and choose your OS, which is they have a Linux, Windows, Mac as well, and ARM as well. So you can choose, mine is on the Win64. I just download get the latest here, and then you can see here is the interface for the STM32 Cube programmer. I have here, which is the right hand side, the UI. We have a ST-Link, J-Link, Flasher, /Flasher, UART, and USB. So I'm choosing UART here. So my CP2102N, which is you can check from your device manager where it is connected. So it is connected to the port. You can see this is Silicon Lab CP210X USB-to-UART bridge COM5. So I connected to this specific COM port. Let's say there is like an icon which is the indication of the exclamation mark. You can go ahead and download the CP210 driver software. Then it can able to re-enable it on the ports COM here. So that's for the device manager. Okay, now it is connected to, let's say we can refresh here. It is connected to the COM5. We just connect it. Okay, so you can see the chip ID is there, 0 hex 410. This is the chip ID. And then once it done, it detected the, you can see here, which is here, it detected all the, it able to read the device memory, which is each of the hex, it represents such value. And go ahead and we use the download button here. So what we does is there's a three process involved. First of all, we do it on the Cube MX. Okay, so we starting from the Cube MX, we enable the UART for our programming purpose. So we now here we go to the connectivity, we enable the UART 1. Okay, so mode set it to the asynchronous, and this is enabled to flash the, basically to flash the memory chip. The next thing is we enable the GPIO PC13. This one is extra stuff, you just ignore it. So this is the PC13, which involved in the blinking of the onboard LED of the STM32 Blue Pill C8T6, which is the chip. So once it done on this, you can just exactly follow these parts. Then we go to the project manager. Make sure you select it. By default, it is on the EWOM. Make sure you select the STM32 Cube ID. Because of this version 2.00, they separated all the software, like have Cube MX, then we have IDE, we have a STM32 programmer as well. So they separate all the software. So you have to do from MX, then go to the IDE, then the programmer is the last stage here. We have generate the code. You click on generate the code. We then go to the IDE. This will pop up a small message. Let's say like this. This will pop up. So we go in the generating user code. Okay, this pop-up will come on. The code is actually generated under this file path here. Then we go ahead and open project, which is this will open up our IDE here. Okay, the next stage. So this is our second stage, and we can see we can go ahead and on the main.c. Okay, we have in our main. So we have this. Okay, this one is different. Main.c. Hold on. Okay, because it generated a new code. So we have here is toggle the pin LED, which is the GPIO pin 13. Yeah. And yeah, let's go back. Provide on this. Okay, next step is we go to build here. You see the build icon. We just build here. Don't go over to flash the chip, which is using the ST-Link. We just build the project here. So this will create a STM32C blink.list. So what you interested is each these binaries, which is the .elf file, STM32F103C8T6 underscore blink.elf. So you can open this actually at your directory basically. Mine is always will be located in the debug. So you can see this is the STM32 F103C8T6 underscore blink.elf. So the next step we can use it to the program. We go back to the programmer. Is we able to read which is the UART. This is the first step. The second step is we just browse the file, which is the .l file here. So go to the debug or the path selected. Then we go and select the .l file here. Open. Then we can start programming. Here, just click start programming. Okay, so file download complete, which indicate is the programming is successful. Go ahead and just remove the programmer CP2102N driver. Okay, you can see this pop up connection is lost. Okay, so you can just connect the power. You can see the my blue pill is blinking here, so it just works fine. And yeah, guys, that's it. If you want to hard reset, just go to the boot 0 to boot 1. Oh yes. Then you just click on hard reset. Yeah, that's it. That's it. That's flash. Okay, guys, that's it for this video. There's an alternative method. Instead, you don't have the ST-Link, you can use the USB to UART driver to just flash it to the STM32 Blue Pill chip. Thanks, guys, for watching. See you next time. Bye.